Hello, everybody. Welcome back, Voices from Sea, and this is our fifth video, if I do not mistake. And in this video, we're gonna import another kind of data of ocean, that is SSC, sea surface chlorophyll. And the last videos covered the SST, sea surface temperature, and how to import and how to analyze and how to visualize, even how to save, and a lot of things we have done in our previous video. If you don't want to understand, just check out my previous video, and in this video, just follow how to analyze sea surface chlorophyll data. Just follow where I click and how to save and how to add. Yeah. So click on Tools. Look, this interface, you see, this is a part of our last video, and this is the SST value, SST map. Import raster. Desktop and project, and then metadata, data, ocean, color wave, chlorophyll. We're gonna take monthly data. Just check 32-bit floating point. However, we don't need it, right? Yes. So this is our chlorophyll data. Now we're gonna project, right? That means georeferencing system. We do not georeferencing, don't georeferencing still this chlorophyll data, but we have done with our SST data. However, I want to show something interesting. Look at this legend. This value 4, 3.6, 3.2, this readable. We understand this value, right? And it's logical, right? It's legal to understand the value of chlorophyll data. So that means we are not gonna descale the chlorophyll map or chlorophyll data we have uploaded or you have imported, but we have done with SST because that value is not readable. But this chlorophyll value is readable, so we are not going to do it. So directly, we're going to choose projection. Projection. Yes, defines your reference for grids. Um, oh, sorry. We have to select chlorophyll. And then, okay. It's loading. Let me check. It's added or not? Yes, it's added. And add the map. So we don't need chlorophyll data without projection. So we're gonna delete it. So now we're gonna do resampling. And this value, we don't need it because we do resampling with chlorophyll data, not d-scaled SST, because we already did it. So, yes. Yes, everything's fine. Click OK. Add to map. Zoom to active layer. Yes, it's completely added and it looks great. Now we have to rename something, otherwise actually we can't distinguish because this is the projected PRJ, and then this is clipped or BOB 2025-04. Look, you can save this clipped or extracted data. Already I have shown how to save as, and select the grid folders. Not at this grid is empty grid, I mean the dummy grid, and this grid, color wave, and then chloro, then you can save here. But I already saved a lot of files, same files a lot of times, so I'm not going to save it anymore. So this way you can save, and this way you can add, I mean load, this grid load, so probably I have shown you. You're not going to save everything, very pointed area, because this is very pointed area. I mean, this is extracted your chlorophyll data for particular period. So period. So this is this one you can need in the future. So now, now actually we are going to create map, right? Before going to create map, we have to deselect something. Probably this one and this one. And then that means we don't need those legends out of chlorophyll data. Okay. Look, this is our final map. Hopefully you understand. And this is our legend value. And this white value, white colors represent there's no data. Probably this land, or probably this island or country. A lot of things it can be. So if you want to more visualized, if you want to see more visualized, then you can for example, count 13. And select oh, sorry. We do it with frame grid. We don't do it with this layer. It's totally useless. Here we have to make change. For example, count 13 and then no, it doesn't look great. Yes, you can choose this one, or you can choose this one like you do, right? Or you can choose this one. I mean, here is the option to be creative, right? So, and already I have shown how to save into PNG format. Click here and then save, right? Export map and then so I think this video I'm not gonna save it because already the how to save any 2D map already I have mentioned in a last video. If you don't know, you can check it out, or maybe you're gonna understand. Otherwise, I have shown. Click here, export, and then choose PNG format. You can choose a lot of format, PNG format, JPG format, and TIF format. Different format you can choose, but I'm not going to choose right now anyone. And after choosing, after saving, you can utilize. So yes, this is the end of our 5th video. And if you don't understand anything, any point, and if you have any questions for further analysis, free to ask and free to comment. And hopefully you enjoyed it. And the next video will cover how to create 3D map. So this video basically covers how to create 2D map. So the fascinating things is coming up. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching me here, and have a great day.